What's good, guys? This is Wesley and welcome back to the channel. I want to share to you an incident that happened 2 days ago with my Mavic Air. Just a bit of a background, I bought my Mavic Air last April this year. I flew it from time to time, never had any problems with it. Everything worked great, the batteries were fine, the in-flight stability was good. But 2 days ago I decided to test out something I just learned, which is how to pick custom frequencies improving the range of your drone. So I did that, flew the drone, everything was fine. Until it reached 30% on the battery, I set that point to notify me that the battery is running low. At default, DJI sets it at 20%, but I placed a buffer to keep me from losing power mid-flight. It beeped a couple of times and suddenly went down to 5%. By that time I panicked, I wasn't sure if I'll get my drone back. I had the whole thing recorded on video with the drone. I had a bit of time to go back to home point, and to my relief I could see the drone again. I rushed to bring it down, but right before it landed like tree height, it lost power mid-flight and it fell hard. Man, I was afraid. Curious if my drone still worked, I tested it out with a new battery. It was fine, everything worked, except for the one battery. It was a factory defect. It was slowly bulging out. So I went to Macy's where I bought the drone, thinking it's okay if they don't replace my drone as long as I'll get a new battery. Right guys, we just arrived here at Macy's. Hopefully everything will be fine with my drone, and let's go inside.
Kaya sa dugan mo kayo sila sir, uy, pagi pa niyo. Kung sa mo supplier manggod,
Like mo send lang tag video na sa ila ba.
pwede makuha na sila kayo sa mga supplier sir. Kay kung pagi ta sa mga supplier kay 7 days replacement ra jud sila sa battery. Kung mukuan kag DJI sir, para ato kang foreigner na mo na customer, ang battery niya gilisan. Niagi siya DJI, na jud siya case number.
As you can see on the look on my face, I wasn't happy with the news. They said I had to email DJI, send the batteries to China to have it inspected. Then I would have to cover the fees that come with that. So to replace a battery would cost me the price of buying a new battery outright. I'm really disappointed with DJI. I emailed them yesterday and I haven't received any reply yet. I'm sorry for ranting, but I just want to inform you guys who are thinking of buying a product from DJI. Try to do a research if they have a service center locally, because you'll have a hard time claiming your warranty. I guess I'll end the video here. Thank you for watching. Sorry for the negativity, but I hope you guys are now informed. And if you haven't already, please smash the subscribe button and let me know your experience with DJI. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. What's good, guys? This is Wesley and welcome back to the channel. I want to share fucking hell.